Hey guys, it's Shifty and today I'm gonna teach you guys how you can make a Discord server. Let's start. Install discord.js to your glitch. Really, you would have already made a project by now. You want to make an Hello Express project. You wanna have everything set up. So first you wanna go to your package.json. I'm going to watermark here. In package.json you'll press add package, type discord.js and test it. It really did nothing because the log doesn't work the way it installs, so you have to manually install the actual package. So you're gonna type npm I discord.js. Once you're done, you wanna go here. And go to server.js and rename it to app.js. In package.json, in start, do node app.js. Same here, app.js. So you see a lot of comments. These are nothing. All these are doing is following up everything for this website. You wanna delete style.css, client.js, and remove all this. So go back to app.js, remove the listeners, the comments if you want. Add a comment here. Same. Divider. The code will be in the description in the GitHub repository. All you have to do is follow instruction and you'll get the code from there. There in the project tab, there's also going to be a live stats of my progress on making tutorials. So if you want to follow up, you can. And there's my Discord server, link in the description. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get back. So now we want to set up discord.js. We want it to work perfectly. You want it to make a bot, make it live, go live, and add our first command here. So you're gonna go to this developer portal, link in the description. You're gonna press new application, tutorial project. Then you wanna have some neat icon, but for now we're gonna keep it like this. You're gonna go to bot, add bot, yes to it. And this will be your logo. It might change colors. You just have to copy this, and this is your token and your bot. You're gonna go to .env, go to token. Don't worry, this will be refreshed after this tutorial. My token will be refreshed. I will reinsert the token. You guys don't need to worry, and don't even try to log in, because I have my own set of rules. So we want to start with const discord equals require discord.js. Now we're gonna call the bot. We're gonna call it client. Client equals new discord.client in caps. We don't need to add semicolons. We can if we want, but we don't need to because Glitch automatically detects. Sometimes you might get errors. You can add semicolons. Now you want to log your client in. So client dot login brackets these things, then not these things, we don't need these things. You wanna type process.env.token. It's calling this file and this variable for it to log in. So if we invite our bot, to our server by going to OAuth2. Let me make a server first. Basic server. So let's invite our bot. So we left off here by going into OAuth tab. So we're just gonna select bot here. Select administrator. Copy. Let's go here. Paste it here. Add to tutorial server. Authorize. Get in here. Verification. Let's go. The best in your life. Verification. Okay. Yeah, cheers. So you see, this is online, the tutorial project. Oh, nice tag you bought. Okay, whatever. So once you've got the bot here, you wanna have a command. You wanna actually make a command on how, like, when it will respond. So first we're gonna make a variable. Variable prefix equals, add a prefix here. So I'm gonna do TS exclamation mark, and that's my prefix, TS. And now we're gonna make the message itself. Client dot on message equal greater than curly bracket here. Then you wanna type if message dot content is equal to $ curly bracket prefix ping. That's the basic stuff. Then we're gonna message dot reply pong, or message dot content, or message dot channel dot send pong. If we try that out, TS ping, we have two different outputs. This is from message reply. I'll show you. Message.reply. This is from message channel.send. Oh no. Okay. So if I do TS ping again, see? Message reply, message channel send. This will conclude our tutorial for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe if you're brand new, leave a like, and turn on bell for more tutorials like this. I'm gonna continue on the series. Let me update my stuff. We're finished with most of this. I'm gonna edit this now. I'll see you next time.